How was your night?
It was actually pretty great because I finally managed to sleep through the entire night without waking up once.
Do you prefer coffee or food?
I definitely need a huge cup of coffee before I can even think about eating a real breakfast today.
How is your morning going?
It is off to a flying start since I finished my hardest task before most people even woke up.
What is your main goal?
I really want to clear my inbox so I can enjoy my evening without worrying about work at all.
Is your day looking busy?
My schedule is a bit of a nightmare today, with meetings stacked up from lunch until the very end.
How was the commute today?
The trains were actually running on time for once, which felt like a tiny miracle during the morning rush.
Is it nice outside today?
It is absolutely gorgeous out there, and I am seriously considering taking my laptop to the local park later.
Are you starting something new?
I am diving into a fresh creative project that has been living in my head for a long time.
Do you need a hand?
That is so kind of you to ask, but I think I finally have everything under control right now.
Are you ready for Friday?
I have been dreaming of the weekend since Monday morning, and I'm so ready to just stay home.
What are your lunch plans?
I'm meeting a friend for some spicy street food at that new place that just opened downtown today.
Have you hit a wall?
My brain is definitely starting to feel a bit foggy, so I really need to step away for a bit.
Did you see the news?
I have been staying away from social media today so I could actually get some real work done finally.
Is your family doing well?
Everyone is doing wonderfully, and we are all getting together for a big backyard barbecue this coming Sunday afternoon.
Found any new music lately?
I found this incredible lo-fi artist whose music is helping me stay focused while I edit my latest videos.
Want to grab drinks tonight?
I would honestly love that because I really need to vent about this crazy week with a good friend.
Where should we go tonight?
Let's try that new place with the rooftop garden because the weather is supposed to be perfect for it.
Was it a good workout?
My muscles are absolutely screaming at me right now, but the post-gym high is totally worth the physical effort.
Are you reading anything good?
I just started a mystery novel that is so gripping I stayed up way too late reading it last.
What is your evening vibe?
I just want to light some candles and listen to some old records while I cook a simple dinner.
Do you enjoy cooking dinner?
It is actually the most relaxing part of my day because I can just shut off my work brain completely.
Have you made travel plans?
I am currently obsessed with planning a trip to the mountains so I can do some serious hiking soon.
What is the project status?
We are finally seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, and it should be finished by tomorrow.
Do you have any pets?
I have a very clingy cat who insists on sitting directly on my keyboard whenever I'm trying work.
What is your hidden talent?
I can actually cook a 5-course meal from scratch, though I usually just end up making simple pasta dishes.
Do you like city life?
The energy is amazing, but sometimes I really miss the quiet and the stars you only see in the countryside.
Watched any cool movies lately?
I saw a documentary about deep sea creatures last night that was both beautiful and a little bit terrifying, honestly.
Is the new car nice?
It drives like an absolute dream, and I'm still getting used to all the fancy new tech features.
Are you hitting the gym?
I am trying to go at least 3 times a week to keep my energy levels up during winter.
Is your vacation coming soon?
I have exactly 10 days left until I'm sitting on a beach with a drink in my hand.
Which season is your favorite?
I love the autumn because the air gets so crisp and the colors of the leaves are just incredible.
Would you call yourself artistic?
I love to sketch in my free time, but it is mostly just a way for me to decompress.
How do you usually relax?
There is nothing better than a long, hot bath and a really good book after a very stressful day.
Can you speak any Spanish?
I am still a beginner, but I can definitely manage to order a coffee and find the nearest bathroom.
Have you seen that show?
I have heard so much about it, but I'm waiting for the weekend to binge the whole thing.
Is your boss doing okay?
She has been under a lot of pressure lately, but she still finds time to check in on everyone.
Are you a music fan?
Music is basically playing in my house 24 hours a day because I cannot stand the total silence at all.
Are you a morning person?
I am much more of a night owl who only starts feeling truly creative after the sun goes down.
Do you have big goals?
I really want to start my own business one day so I can have more control over my time.
Do you like hiking much?
Getting lost in nature is the only way I can truly clear my head and find some inner peace.